Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. Thanks so much for joining me on this 5-minute killer core workout. Feel free to repeat all of these exercises for an additional burn. As always, we have 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off between exercises. The very first one is a very normal low plank, tucking your toes under, lifting your hips up, shoulders on top of elbows. Let's get started. And finishing that plank, lowering down, swing your legs around. Let's get ready for some toe taps. You can feel free to take your hands underneath your sacrum or lower back for extra support for that lower back. Keep your knees bent, point your toes, and just tap your toes down and up, keeping your core tight. Belly button moving towards your spine, back is flat on the floor. Keep going. Lift your head and your neck up for an additional challenge. For an additional challenge between all of these rests, we're actually going to be lifting our head and our neck off of the floor, lifting our shoulders, really tightening that core. Next, keeping our head and our neck and our shoulders lifted, keeping our core tight, we're going to cross our heels in front, crossing your thighs into back twos on the way down and up. Feel free to take your hands underneath your bum for, again, additional support. And finishing this set. Keep your head and your neck and your shoulders off for that burnout. Next, we have butterfly sit-ups. So clasp your hands behind your head, keep your toes together, open up your knees. On the inhale, we're going to tap our feet down to the floor in our head. On the exhale, lift your bum off the floor, tap your elbows to your knees. Inhale, toes down. Exhale, lift your bum, elbows to knees. Staying here for that additional burnout, knees together, lift your head and your neck off, the same position we did in our last 10-second breather. And next we have bicycle crunches. So get ready to put your hands behind your head, flex your feet, opposite elbow to knee, and bring it back. Opposite elbow to knee, bring it back. Keep going. Finishing that last one, after this last 10-second breather, we're going to put our hands underneath our bum and just lower our legs down and back up to perpendicular from the floor. Let's get started. 40 seconds. Keep your feet in first position for an additional core workout, really activating our turnout muscles and our psoas. And we are done. Guys, relax. Feel free to do this entire workout again for an additional challenge. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now. Happy dancing.